The Freestyler loaded with tech to the teeth. And the face of it is the 5-inch TFT. Change modes on the fly. Each one has a unique look. Give it a try. Day or night, we have modes that always stay bright. With the RTR 310, the latest tech is expected. Don't worry, we've got you connected. Want to control the features? Just say it. The Freestyler is all ears.
Increase volume.
To capture every freestyle moment as you please. The GoPro controls help you do it with ease. Go ahead and play. No worries, you got the tire pressure display. The console is the Freestyler's brain, giving you vehicle alerts and notifications without a pain. Paper is a thing of the past. The console has your documents so you can flash them real fast. Once you're done playing, telemetry numbers are yours for examining. A feature-packed display to enable you to play.